Hello, I am Paul Rogers, and in this video, I wanted to review all the texts I've written and also my websites and videos. So first of all, you can see I put it up here. Also, the information, my main website is called pumarosa.com, and it is free. It has my voice. And the other website is inglesconprofepablo.com. It is also free, and there are a lot of texts. Most of the texts that are in the index here are also on inglesconprofepablo.com, and there are videos. If you want to check out all of my videos, they're on my YouTube channel, which is in Inglés con Profe Pablo. You go to YouTube, you type in Inglés con Profe Pablo, and it will take you to my YouTube channel. I have a lot of videos. And also, if you want to connect to me through WhatsApp, first of all, don't forget to descargar, download WhatsApp. And then from your WhatsApp to my WhatsApp, send a message using the phone number I have there, 1-805-258-3310. I do that because I do not want to send you a text to join your WhatsApp. You're joining my WhatsApp because I have groups of teachers and other lessons. But anyway, in this video, very quickly, I want to review all the lessons. If you have any questions, or if you like to use some lessons in your classes or study some lessons on your own, just ask me. You can ask me down there or WhatsApp, and I will help you. We can do a video chat for half an hour or so once a week. But anyway, so I put these in an index. And first things first, for all my students who are beginners, who don't know any English or know very little English, I start off with the alphabet, the numbers, commerce, greetings and salutations, cognates. Do you know what cognates are? Many people don't know that there are words that are exactly alike or similar in English and Spanish, but of course with the pronunciation different. So I have 15 groups. It's a very quick way to increase vocabulary. They're similar because English and Spanish are cousins. They both have the influence of Latin. Then after cognates, let me see what I have over here. I begin a little bit of grammar. I use the nouns, adjectives, colors, shapes, the comparative. I use a little bit of the comparative, articles. I do pronouns, and then I introduce the verb to be. This is all for beginners. This is all within the first month of any one of my classes. And by the way, you may know this already, but I like to repeat it. My classes are bilingual and phonetic. Bilingual to make sure that everybody understands the lesson. Phonetic to help people with the pronunciation. I always, in every class, use lessons on pronunciation. If somebody asks me a question, for example, what is the meaning of such and such a word? I'll write the word on the board, but usually it needs to be, the pronunciation needs to be rehearsed. And I have rules of pronunciation and trabalenguas, a lot of trabalenguas. So then we do the verb to be. I have a big section on the food vocabulary, and a visit to a restaurant, for example, a visit to the grocery store, and also a section on cooking. Then I'd like to introduce, at a certain point, all the questions we use to ask, all the words that we use to ask questions, which in English we call the W words, question words. Who, what, when, where, why, etc. Then I do a basic vocabulary of the house, clothes, the family, directions. I have a section on confusing words. Words that sound the same but have a different meaning. For example, a good example is bear. Bear also. It also means desnudo. And then there's beer. So there's two bears and one beer. The bear desnudo walked into the bar and asked for a beer. I have a special section on how to ask questions. Como se dice en inglés. And like I say, I always have lessons on pronunciation. At first, I focus on difficult sounds such as the G, the J, the TH, etc. And then later I do all the consonants, and most of them are simple. And then we begin on a review or lessons on the vowels. What I just described takes about 2 to 3 months for beginners. I also use what I call readers, lectoras. I have stories that simple stories that adults can read out loud, and that helps them. Reading is very important. And then I have a special section on what I call intermediate. I call intermediate the section where you're learning grammar intently, focusing on the verb tenses. And I cover all the verb tenses. The simple tense, the present, past, and future, the progressive or continuous tense, present, past, and future, the perfect tenses, present, past, and future. I cover the subjunctive, which includes conditionals. Conditional is a new word, or at least for me it's new. When I learned English grammar, we did not use the word conditional. I suspect that when English speakers when we learn our own grammar, we don't use certain terms that you learn. But anyway, begin with the infinitive, and I have a list of 100 common verbs, and I go through the grammar. I'm also asking questions with do and does. And that's it in a nutshell. There's a lot more to it. I have videos that cover a lot of issues like pronunciation, like verb tenses, and songs. As I say in every video, I use songs a lot. Songs are very good. And sometimes you can take a popular song. If you're teaching in high school, the kids are listening to popular songs. They may not know what it means, or they may have difficulty pronouncing the words, but it's popular. Like, I don't know what's popular anymore, but I remember Christina Aguilera used to be very popular, or Beyonce. So I'll get the song no matter what it is, and either type out the lyrics, the letras, and hand out the sheet or write it on the board, and we study songs. It's good. They like them. Good way to increase vocabulary. Good way to get people to like studying English. Anyway, that's about it in a nutshell. Like I say, if you want to contact me with WhatsApp, go back and get my WhatsApp number. You have to download Descarga WhatsApp first. Send me a WhatsApp message. I will add you to a group. I will not send you a WhatsApp. And apart from that, please take a moment to review Pumarosa.com, inglesconprofepablo.com, and my YouTubes. And that's it for now. Thank you.